So I'm still working on this Otco mower under engine. What's happening? The pull cord is sticking and it won't go in, and it's so annoying when you try and start a mower and it won't go in. Doesn't make it easy, does it? So what you do, undo the nuts, take it off like that. So what you do is push that over there. Alright. So what you do, you undo this bolt here with one of these. Then you turn it, yeah. I've got my phone in my hand, so it's making it difficult. But I will be back once it's done. Well, I'm back, so I'm going to do this up a little bit more. Done. So, yeah, so it's in now. See? Can't be seen. Let's put it back on the mower. Tell you what I can do. Stick it in here. So, here we are. Let's go right out. That's as far as it can go. Let's go back in. Look at that. All working again. So just to recap what you do. So you undo this bolt here. You take it all apart. Give it a good clean. Put some whatever you want to put in there. A little bit of oil or grease. Then all you do, just make sure you'll get the grass out of the airline. A little bit of copper grease here. Just put it on here. You only need a little. And here. And here. And a little bit here. There we are. So that's done. Now we put this one on here. Now we get the nuts go on here. Like that. And same again on this side. Like that, yeah. I don't even know what the time is. If I can start it or not, let's have a look. It's now get on to 10 o'clock at night. So I'm just I think it's a bit late to start it. Do it up. Hang on. There we are. Someone's back. So I need my 2 hands to do that. So let's go. Let's put you down here. Like that. And hopefully you can see me trying to start the mower without the recoil sticking. got that, yeah. Put the lever in. Do that. There we are. That's it. So that's worked. So now what I have to do tomorrow is run the engine and just put some petrol stuff in there, like lead stuff and lead replacement. In fact, let me do it now. And I won't forget. So what I'm going to do, got a little bit of petrol in there, put a little bit in. Quite a bit, so when it runs out of petrol, so it's got that lead in there. And I'm going to drain the oil out where it's flat, give it a service, and label it up, put a label on. Then I will put it on the shelf. Then what I would do, what mower it come from an Otco mower. So it's 7 minutes long. So I will put your Otco number, Easy Mow 4610 HPD, and it's 4-in-1. And they also put that on as well, and you can know what engine it's come off the mower. Anyway, please just subscribe and comment on this video and what you reckon. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.